So, working with the watercolor and everything started here. And from here, we went back to doing tissue paper overlays and things to see how things got darker. But we did get it introduced that this is yellowish and this is reddish down here, even if you can't really see it. It's there. Just because you can't see it doesn't mean it isn't there. So we practiced with washes, tried imaginary clouds, and then I found that really when you're painting imaginary skies, it's not... Here's one of the tissue paper overlays that we did to get the darker colors by just overlaying the same. Ditto here, and then bringing a background to a foreground and not starting with a baseline. And then the next thing, oh boy, from here, we also learned the soft touch. And this is what we were doing with the Super Sopper, just on the first day. And seeing that this is just one brush load that goes down and you've got all of that in it. So just how much water you wind up pushing around on the page. And from there, we made stripes of the three primary colors. We put the three primary colors in order of red over here on the left, yellow down here, blue up here. And then we did an American flag. And that was very good practice in brush control. Skip. Now, it was not this brush now. We were back to our regular, about size 8 brushes. And working with negative space. These are stripes. How many stripes are on the flag? 13. But there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know, but there's 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 there. So that was a fun one to do. And then also practicing, you make the stripes of the colors and then overlay to see what colors are made here. And then the next thing we did was color mixing. So we had our red, our yellow, our blue, and then we went and mixed that one. Then we mixed that one. Then we mixed that one. And then after that, mixed the tertiaries. Okay, so that's starters. And then here's testing out the colors and looking at whether the colors bleed into each other, and they don't. Looking at how the colors mix. They don't mix together, but mix by layering, which is really useful. The blue is really nice, isn't it? And then I had this a little bit ago, and I said this is where we started, and then after working with all of the water and stuff, look at this little beauty.